Timing it right. Mastering the use of adverbs of time in the middle of a sentence. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of adverbs. Specifically, we'll explore how to use adverbs of time in the middle of sentences. This topic might seem a little tricky at first, but don't worry, we've got your back. First, let's start with the basics. Adverbs of time tell us when something happens, such as now, yesterday, or later. They answer the question, when, but what makes them special is how they can be positioned in a sentence. They can start the sentence, end it, or even fit right in the middle. When adverbs of time are placed in the middle of a sentence, they split the action verb from its object. Here's an example. I am often told I'm a good listener. Here, often is our adverb of time, and it's sitting right in the middle of the sentence, between am told and I'm a good listener. But it still answers the question, when? This happens often. Let's break down the rules to help you master the use of these adverbs in the middle of a sentence. 1. Adverbs of time usually follow the subject when the verb is intransitive, does not have an object. For example, she sometimes works from home. 2. After auxiliary verbs, like have, be, and do, or modal verbs, like can, may, will, must, etc. For example, we have never seen such a beautiful sunset. 3. Between the main verb and its object if there is one. For example, I'll see you soon, my friend. There you have it, language enthusiasts. Mastering the position of adverbs of time in sentences is all about practice. So don't forget to use them often. Notice what we did there, when speaking or writing in English. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember, with every new piece of knowledge, you're one step closer to becoming a grammar guru. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.